Performance contracts may sometimes need to be amended. This can happen when performance management opens an amendment window. A supervisor amends their contract and cascades changes. An employee requests an amendment. Regardless of how the amendment starts, all amendment processes eventually lead to the same amendment session. In this example, the amendment is being initiated through a self-request. The employee submits a request explaining why the performance contract needs to be amended by tapping Submit Amendment Request button. Once submitted, the system notifies the supervisor and creates a review task. The supervisor may approve or reject the request. When the supervisor approves the amendment request, the system notifies all relevant stakeholders and opens an amendment session. An amendment session is now open for each rank at a time, based on settings provided by the program management team. The employee can review the contract and decide whether changes are required. It is important to note that opening an amendment session does not necessarily mean changes must be made. If no amendments are required, the employee may simply complete the task and submit it without changing the contract. Where changes are required, the employee updates the contract and submits the amended version for review. In some cases, amendments are triggered by changes made at higher levels. When a supervisor amends their contract, affected objectives may be cascaded to subordinate staff, automatically generating amendment tasks. Contract amendments provide a controlled mechanism for updating performance commitments when circumstances change during the performance cycle.